Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special mackerel fry recipe. We just need only 20 minutes and a few ingredients to make this tasty fry recipe. You will enjoy the flavor. Let's move to the video. In a grinder, take 2 garlic cloves, half inch size ginger, 4 shallots, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 red chilli, 2 tablespoon Kasmiri Red Chilli powder, 1 tablespoon Coriander Powder, half teaspoon Turmeric Powder, some curry leaves, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Now add 1 tablespoon water and grind it nicely like this. In a plate, take 450 grams of cleaned mackerel. Coat the grinded mixture onto it very well. Keep it marinated for at least 30 minutes. If you are keeping it marinated more than 30 minutes, please keep it inside refrigerator. After 30 minutes, we can fry it. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Then place the marinated mackerel onto it. Fry it on medium flame until it becomes crispy.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
We can switch off the flame. Our mackerel fry recipe is ready. Try it along with rice, or you can have it alone. It's so delicious.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.